Hola amigos! Today I want to record a video about something that my 12-year-old brother has taught me. He is learning how to play the violin. You can hear him practice right now. And he shared something really cool with me that I think applies to any skill that you are trying to acquire, including language learning. So we're gonna have some fun and we're gonna recreate that scene. So hopefully you'll enjoy it and learn something useful from it. So, see you in a second. Oh, don't worry about it. That's just a little mistake. Don't fret over it. But seriously, don't feel bad about this. It's okay.
Yeah, it's okay. I have a growth mindset. That's why I don't fret about these little things.
Tell us more about your growth mindset.
Well, a growth mindset is when you learn from mistakes that you make. See, I made this mistake, and now I know that that doesn't sound right, knowing that now I can play a different note with confidence.
Got it.
While a locked mindset, which is not nice to have, is when you suffer from these mistakes, believing that you suck and you should never do this again, and you should just stop and
and like give up on that thing that you were trying to learn.
Even on the tiniest little mistakes, you get mad.
Yeah.
And sad.
And sad, and you fret over it.
And you fret a lot over it.
Yeah. Okay. If you just look at these mistakes as a building block, as something that actually helps you, you are going to be like, you know what? Thank you, mistake.
Thanks.
Because of you and thanks to you, I learned to do something better or not to do something. So it's good.
And this happens in everything. This happens in music. This happens in language learning.
Hey! Yeah, seriously. My brother is also a Lingo junkie. He's a fellow Lingo junkie who speaks multiple languages and is learning a few others. And he knows what it's like to sort of struggle with language learning, with playing the violin, and
a lot of other things as well.
Other things, and that's okay. It's about your mindset. You can choose to be like approaching it in a way that's
positive direction.
Yeah, into a positive direction,
or from a negative one.
So try to do more positive.
Less negative.
Yeah. And you're welcome for the TED Talk.
Yeah. You're welcome. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Yeah. See you.